Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today is April 8th, 2014. Time for our daily trading video. And today, normally I share the trades I'm placing and orders I'm putting on in the market. Today, there was no action for me to take. I reviewed the currency pairs. I'm not putting on any trades. I'm not modifying any existing trades. So I wanted to share with you a trade setup that was identified by InformedTrades member Tech, TEKMND, username. This is on the NASDAQ stock Celgene, or CELG is the ticker. I might be mispronouncing it. Let's take a look at the chart. I thought this was a interesting example in price action analysis and just technical analysis in general. Okay, so we see the chart. This goes back to June of last year, May 2013. Clearly in an uptrend here. Now that's the broad idea. We can see it's clearly in an uptrend going back over a year. Now in December of 2013, we start to see this level come in, right? So price reaches here, and this could be a major turning point. Let's go back. You can see it right here, this area right here. You can see prices rallying and starts to dip down here. So that may be our clue that this is a major resistance level. The market has something's going on here to push price down. Now we can keep an eye on this level. And back here, it gets even more interesting, I think. For one, we have a double top here, then a top here. Okay, so we have this level, and then shortly after this, key turning point, key swing point, we have a double top, right? And that's illustrated here. Okay, so that tells us, all right, this might really be the top end. While we had a big uptrend, here's the double top here. Now maybe getting ready to turn down. We're failing to make new highs. We had a swing point here, and now we're failing to make new highs just above that. Okay, so the double top pattern. Then once again here, the double top pattern is complete once we start break below this point here, really. So now we have a pattern of lower lows, right? So here's a double top. We're not able to make higher highs, and we're actually making lower lows. So after this top, we come back down here. That's one low. We swing back up here. That's another low. And now we don't really make a higher high, but we do start making lower lows here. So that tells us that's another strong sign that the uptrend is over. So now perhaps we can start looking to short. So here, then we go here, then we go back here. Then we see up channel here, and remember this resistance level that we identified early in the beginning. Price pulls back right to there, and now we start seeing, this could be seen as a reversal candlestick. So we have a reversal candlestick right at that resistance level, while now in a downtrend, or now signs that a downtrend is beginning. So we have signs that this is a downtrend. Here's a pullback within that downtrend. Here's the chart, my sort of analysis here. Here's the downtrend, or here's double top here, the resistance level that was initially identified. Then we go back here. Now we pull back, and if you measure this, the high from this double top down to the new low, 61.8 Fibonacci and the 50 simple moving average are all right near where that resistance level that we initially identified here was. So that's sort of, we have confluence. We have 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We have 50 simple moving average, and we have that resistance level right here. This could be an interesting opportunity to short. We have a number of shots. So if you look here, we see price goes here on this candle. There's a little bit of a wick, which is also kind of supportive. If we put our entry order here to short at 165.43, we have some room for the downside. In terms of where we could target, here's a clear level, 150. You could also target down here, 147. You can go down here, 135. There's a big gap here, right? Here, this would be potentially a great level to target here, 130. But a lot of it depends, and there are various strategies of riding the trend and pyramiding in, depending on what your strategy is. If you want to get in and out real quick, 150 might be a good target. If you want to add to a position, ride the trend for as much as you want, possibly wait until the market actually shows you a reversal sign that the trend is over. That's about it. Just wanted to share that trade, some clear price action analysis on the ticker CELG. Shows, what happens when you see a double top, pattern of lower highs, or lower lows, excuse me, shows, when an uptrend could be ending. and how we can start place a short trade to profit from that as a result. That's about it. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us on InformedTrades.com. Thanks, best of luck in your trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.